There is one thing which you always have to keep in mind while creating a variable, and that is variable use and Python syntax. Yeah, the first I'm going to teach you how to make a comment. For that, you need to type this hashtag, and now what is my type? I will get no error. Yeah, no error. Just in case I remove this hashtag, then remove what happened. See, another came up. You saw that? So yeah. And then and now here are some of the main rules. Never use a Python keyword like int, input, or is also a keyword, and many more. There are so many, I guess around 27 to 28. For is also one of them. If, then, else, yeah, there are a lot of them. Next rule of breaking them is not use any special characters like these, you can use an underscore. Like there are a lot. All these special characters. Another what you can do. First, let me tell you one more. What you should not do, which is never start with a number. Yeah, never ever start with a number. You can add a number at the end or after any other character. And here what you can do, which is any letter from here professional coders do these things, and any letter from A to G, and capital A to G is small a to G, and you can start with an underscore. Now here are some valid examples of variables. I'm going to use another hashtag, just ignore it. Here I'm creating variables which are valid. For example, ABC 1, 2, 3, this is valid. I'm going to type a1 underscore b. This is also valid. Underscore a212 also valid. Finally, a1 b1 underscore also valid. I'm going to show you some invalid examples of these, which are 1, 2, 3, ABC, it's show the way, which means it is wrong. Another one is that correct comment. Here it shows this is wrong, you cannot use it. So yeah, I guess you must have understand it by now. So these are about these tools anytime you use it. Okay? You can take a screenshot of this and just leaving it there for a couple of seconds. You can take a screenshot right now. Just let me check that it's valid and invalid. Now you can take an example. Screenshot. And for those who don't know how to take a screenshot, just use the function key or the FN and the Excel. Use both of them together and select the area of your screen. Like season, yeah. Then how it is selected. Yeah. I guess that's all for today's video. And if you still don't know which compiler I'm using or how I install Python and all that, check out my first video of this series. And yeah, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe. We are pro in Python.